Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be learning 25 plus phrasal verbs with example sentences. Bring up. To mention or introduce a topic. Example. I didn't want to bring up the issue during the meeting. Question sentence. Why did you bring up the problem now? Answer sentence. I thought it was the right time to bring it up. Break up. To end a relationship. Example. They decided to break up after years of dating. Question sentence. Why did they break up? Answer sentence. They had different priorities and couldn't reconcile. Bring off. To succeed in doing something difficult. Example. The team managed to bring off an impressive victory. Question sentence. How did the team bring off such a remarkable performance? Answer sentence. The team brings off remarkable victory through strategic planning and exceptional teamwork. Bring back. To return something to its original place. Example. Please bring back the book when you are done. Question sentence. Did you bring back the tools to the garage? Answer sentence. Yes, I brought them back right away. Catch up. To get to the same point as someone else. Example. Let's meet for coffee and catch up on all times. Question sentence. Can we catch up next week? Answer sentence. Sure, I will love to catch up. Cut off. To disconnect or stop the supply of something. Example. The storm cut off the power of the entire neighborhood. Question. How long were they cut off from electricity? Answer sentence. They were cut off for almost a day. Give in. To surrender or yield. Example. He finally gave in and admitted his mistake. Question sentence. Did he give in to the pressure? Answer sentence. Yes, he gave in reluctantly. Go through. To experience or endure a process. Example. We have to go through security before boarding. Question sentence. Have you ever had to go through a similar situation? Answer sentence. Yes, I have been go through the something similar before. Hold off. To delay or postpone. Example. Can we hold off on making a decision until we have more information? Question. Why did you suggest holding off on the project launch? Answer sentence. We decided to hold off on the project launch due to the unforeseen challenges in the development phase. Hold on. To wait or pause. Example. Please hold on while I transfer your call. Question sentence. Can you hold on for a moment? Answer sentence. Sure, I can hold on. Hold back. To restrain or keep something secret. Example. He couldn't hold back his emotions during the speech. Question. Why did he hold back his feelings for so long? He was afraid of the reaction and didn't want to cause any problems. Look up to. To admire or respect someone. Example. Many students look up to their teachers as role models. Question sentence. Who do you look up to in your profession? Answer sentence. I look up to my mentor for guidance. Look forward to. To anticipate with pleasure. Example, I look forward to meeting you tomorrow. Question sentence. Are you looking forward to the weekend? Answer sentence. Yes, I am looking forward to relaxing. Show up. To arrive or appear. Example, he didn't show up to the meeting on time. Question sentence. Why didn't he show up for the appointment? Answer sentence. He had an unexpected emergency and couldn't make it. Set up. To arrange or establish something. Example, she set up a new business in the city. Question sentence. How long did it take to set up the company? Answer sentence. It took her a few months to set up everything. Take off. To remove clothing or leave the ground. Example, it's hot. I need to take off my jacket. Question sentence. Did the plane take off on time? Answer sentence. Yes, the plane took off without any delays. Turn down. To reject or decline an offer. Example, unfortunately, they turned down my job application. Question sentence. Did they turn down many applicants? Answer sentence. Yes, they turned down several candidates. Take over. To assume control or responsibility. Example, the new manager will take over the team next week. Question sentence. When will the new manager take over? Answer sentence. The new manager will take over next week. Take after. To resemble a family member in appearance or behavior. She takes after her mother in terms of artistic talent. Question sentence. Do you think your children take after you or your spouse? My eldest takes after me in personality while the youngest takes after my spouse.